Hey y'all, Ann at Georgia Campers. I had the opportunity about 2 weeks ago to be up in Indiana at Sneak Peek for Forest River. And then during my visit there, I got to go in a back warehouse for a super sneak peek for the Veranda series, which is brand new for Salem and Wildwood Cruise Light. And the great thing about this camper is that it has a rear patio slide undercover as part of your camper. So I'll put up first a couple of pictures that we've kind of rolled through, and now I'll show you the floor plan before I take you on the video tour. All right, so there were a lot of people milling about in the camper, of course, so I'll take you through kind of quick. We'll start in the bathroom. Nice big bathroom with a skylight, collapsible shower and storage underneath. As we move into the master, we've got the pet steps, shelving on the right side, we remove the wardrobe, overhead storage. As we come around to this side, we've got the closet that's got a shelf at the top, hanger bar, washer dryer prep, turn around, storage on the left, wardrobe bar on the top, and this is a custom king Versatilt bed. Moving into the kitchen, you've got a residential style sink, faucet, great place for your trash can tucked right there into the sink. Storage underneath and above. You've got your hood cover, which is just a cover for the microwave. It just makes it super clean. 3-burner stove with oven. Great size camper fridge and freezer. Check this out. A pantry, deep shelves, motion light, plenty of room for all your food. This L-shaped sofa, and then the center island for eating. Here's the entertainment area. Another view here at the center island to eat. And then I'm going to take you kind of all the way around in the kitchen area to kind of see what you got. All right, let's go out on the slide and see what all the buzz is about. All right, so now we're outside on the sliding patio. Doors underneath that are steel with a big fridge. On the top, we've got a sink with the faucet that folds down. Check this out, this little blue switch. Watch what happens. It's got misters that come off of your water tank. Keeps you nice and cool back here. The next feature, grill. Big grill, lots of room for hamburgers, probably 8 to 10 burgers on this grill, depending on the size. And then watch just a minute, I'm going to show you how the slide works. So all you do is you push the slide button. It comes right in, tucks right in, right up under the canopy. Perfect. And then to exit, it's got a door right here with an extra set of steps. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Now remember, if you click over here, you'll be taken to a playlist of other couples coaches similar to this one. And if you click over here, you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll get notified as soon as we've got videos, which is when we get new stuff on the lot, which is pretty often. As always, I appreciate you tuning in. Y'all have a great day.